All right, good morning. So today we want to see how we can access downloaded music that we've downloaded in Audiomack. We can copy it to our phone so we can use it offline and outside Audiomack, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is open the file manager. Okay, so here you go to your internal memory. Make sure it's not SD card or any card extension, it's your internal memory. So we go in here. So first of all, let's create a new folder, and I want to say uh new music, right? So we name it new music. So I created the folder. So now make sure you go here, your options button. That three buttons on the here, three buttons could be up there or could be down. Anyway, it is the three buttons. Just go. Make sure that you are showing the hidden files. So I've on click show hidden items or hidden files. So once you do that, now scroll down. You will see a lot of files coming up. Dot something. Dot. Okay, don't worry. Just scroll down to your file. There's a file in your phone named Android. Okay, click on Android and then go to your data. So click on data. So now we are looking for the Audiomack, right? We've downloaded some music there earlier on. So we're looking for something come Audiomack. You see, we have something come btx.android.wallet. That means I have Bittrex Android wallets and other stuff, other apps, Alicing and every other thing. Yeah, so I'm looking for Audiomack. So yeah, com.audiomack right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it and then I'm gonna go to files and then I'm gonna go to Audiomack itself. Yeah, so click on it. Right now you see that we can't see any music files, but if you look critically well, you see there are files with big size, 3.9 MB for what? Yeah, for what? Okay, they are music files. Okay, if you wouldn't need those music in your Audiomack any longer, you can cut it. But I will still need it. So what we do is we click on it, we will hold it down, select as much music as you want. If you want everything copied, okay. If you're copying to your phone, it's okay. Just click on everything you wanted, and then I copy because I still need it to work in Audiomack. Audiomack is a very good player, very awesome. Yes, I can set time and stuff with that. I like it. So I copy, and then I have to select the location to paste. So I'm going back home. Yes, then we created a new music folder, right? We created together the new music folder. So I'm gonna open it up and then I'm gonna paste in it. So let's rename this file 1.6. Yeah, I will advise that you don't change the file name yet if you don't know the name of the song, but the phone can read it. Okay, it's encoded, everything's encoded. So just change the extension name to put a space after the name dot mp3 and then save it. To tell you, give you a warning, change your file name extension may result in file unrecognized. Do you want to change it? Oh, come on, change. See, it's changed to mp3. So we'll do the same for the next one. For the next one, yeah. For the next one, the same warning and the one after it. Yeah, and the one after it. Oh, I made a mistake with this one. See, we could make some silly mistake like that. The dots shows the extension, okay? The dot gives you the extension. So dot mp3, I change it, and then I have now the yeah. Okay, right. Dot mp3. Once I do put the dots, the file remains the same. Okay, it remains the same. So you see, I think I'm a little clumsy like everybody else too. If I don't put a dot, it's not the dot introduces the extension. So yeah. Okay, and then we're done. So I can play it. Jet Audio is I downloaded it. It's on the app. Google Music is my default music player, but I want to use Jet Audio. I don't know the music, so let's go. Let's go check it. It looks like it's some Lucky Dube, if I'm right. If I'm right, yeah. It looks like I'm checking down. Oh, it looks like I'm feel colors. So, oh, yeah.